Burger Rippy over here at the truck show in Louisville. Oh yeah, I haven't seen a suspension like this for a while. These torsion bars. And then the rear ends are like a Mack. Kenworth used them. That's clear from 1950. None of them rear ends are regular. And those butterfly hoods, I remember when I was a kid, I used to sit up here and I'd work on the engine. Always liked those trucks, and I could drive them into the shop, and they drive so much. You can just tell how well built they are. And then you get in something else, and it's a cheap truck. That's why I bought a W9 when I ended up buying my own. But as nice as this truck looks, it just has a feel when you drive it. It's a cheap feel, and all the new ones would. The newer, they found out they couldn't build them that good, or they would never wear out. So, and with mass production, it's just a different world, different prices, but brings the price down with the mass production. And so yeah, that's a Hawaiian, like a grabber blue Mack, isn't it? Pretty neat. Beautiful silver. He's got the product blower on this one. Get a nice look at a product blower. There's a few tanker yankers here. Not sure what all he's got going on here. A big Tulsa winch on there. Oil field truck. Huh? Special. It says vacuum. Special weapon. New Jersey truck. Yeah, we're missing the backs of them. I plan on spending more time doing the filming, but there's so many trucks I'm not going to be able to cover any more detail than I am. And then it's like anything else, really got into more than I thought I would here. These guys have like a meeting going on. There's that yellow stripe I was talking about. There's more and more of that, and that's almost a neon. And they're on cable television and all that. These guys are in the Chrome Shop Mafia, and then they got Roadworks. They're in the business. I think they're from Joplin. Then they started their own truck show, or maybe not. I don't know. I don't have cable, so this looks almost like a racing truck. I guess I'll just go to the end of this road and make another film. I'm losing track of my time. I'm getting lost in here. It's just a little too much brain food. And the really well, it's out here too, but the nicest stuff is indoors, if that makes any sense, because it's out of the weather. Indoors is where it's at, and I wouldn't be walking around there, just crowds of people, and probably wouldn't get much of a shot of the trucks in there either at times, but we're going to give it a shot. Over here at the truck show in Louisville. Yeah, I don't know what to think about this. We never had anything like that. It's a needle nose Pete, split window with a Corvette dash and stuff. We had some of them, but around town, but those custom sleepers like that, nah. That's I don't know, wherever that was at, in Arizona or somewhere. And you'd see them going by once in a while, but I never known anyone who owned them. It's a pretty neat little sign there, isn't it? It's a mock-up of the... And the door's shut so we can't see the dash, but... We know it's old. Let's get this door open. First crawl box. It's a walk-in. Thanks for watching. Rippy over here. Louisville Truck Show.